Okay, question, we're looking to find the surface area of this rectangular solid. So once again, the surface area is a concept where you're finding the total area for all the surfaces for this three-dimensional shape. So if we look at each surface, we see that we've got this front and the matching back surface. And to find the area of the surface, it's basically a rectangle. You have to multiply the length by the height, right? And there's two of them, the front and the back. So the first surface area is length times height. Then we got to double it because there's two of them. Then another surface that we can look at would be maybe the side and side, so left and right. And this is also a rectangle. And to find its area, we have to multiply the width dimension with the height dimension. And there's two of them, so we're going to double that. Width times height. And then the last pair of surfaces are the top and the bottom. So also a rectangle. Find the area, we have to multiply the length by the width. The length by the width. And there's two pairs of those, we're going to double it. And to find the total surface area, we're just going to add those calculations together. Okay, now let's do that. All right, so we're told that the length is 4.3. Essentially, it doesn't really matter that you do them in that same exact order, as long as you just multiply each by which. So length by width, double it, length by height, double it, and then width by height, double it. So 6.3 times 5 doubled. Then 6.3 times 6.6 doubled. Out of room. And what else did we do? We did 6 length by width and length by height. We need to do width by height. 5 by 6.6 doubled. Okay, so first one, 6.3 times 5. So notice I'm kind of going out of order. Obviously, I did length times height in my formula, but I started with length times width. So I did this part first, which is okay. So this is 31.5. And I'm going to multiply by 2. So that gives me 63. And here, I'm going to take 6.3 multiplied by 6.6. So that's my length and the height. That's that part, which gives me 41.52. And then multiply by 2 because there's two of those surfaces. That's 83.16. And then lastly, the width times the height, 5 times 6, that's 33. Doubled, that's 66. Now add all those areas together, and I get 212.16. And we need to round to the nearest hundreds with hundreds. It's an area, so it's going to be squared, being squared.